Hi, my name's Colin Cochran, and the topic that I'm going to use for my policy is PEDs. Um, PEDs are performance enhancing drugs, and such as steroids or HGH, and they are used to get a leg up on the competition. People have been using them for years. The first people who used them were the Greeks. Um, They used them for the running events and the Olympic Games when they first started out. And then to move forward from that in the 1880s, cyclists and like the Tour de France and things of that nature, uh, they used them. And actually, some of the cyclists died because the PEDs were laced with heroin or cocaine, and cyclists actually died in the race. But to move on from that, the uh, the rules, the current rules regarding eligibility, interference with using PEDs is one: is it harmful for your health? Um, Two, does it enhance performance in any way? And three, is it against the spirit of the sport? Uh, for one, does it harm your health? I would say yes, that it does. Uh, for many instances, it can make you not who you are mentally or physically. People use it to grow. Like Arnold Arnold Schwarzenegger claims he never took them and whatever, but he grew to where he could be this big guy and to where he could win whatever he could. And people after using these PEDs have this roid rage. Uh, which roid rage is a side effect of taking steroids, has been deemed the culprit of many acts of violence. Several reports of police brutality stemmed from steroids. Steroids are often plays a role in many cases of substance abuse, so people can overdose on using these. They can use too much, and they don't know, you know, the right amount. They're just trying to get better in their sport. They're not a chemist or whatever. They're just trying to get better and get a leg up. Um, but to go on even more with the health, researchers have shown that users might be prone to suffer extreme irritability, uh, delusions, impaired judgment, and paranoid jealousy. And I think that that goes in with the roid rage. Uh, I think that using these PEDs and using these steroids and HGH and everything that goes along with it, I think that it makes you something that you're not. It makes you physically something that you're not, and mentally something that you're not. It impairs your judgment. Like it said, it makes you have roid rage. It makes you, you know, just have what I said earlier, paranoid jealousy, and that's just not right. And I don't think that people should be taking this if they're gonna act a certain way. Uh, Number two, uh, is it against the spirit of sport? I think it is against the spirit of sport because I think it's having a leg up on the competition that not everybody has. Now, taking that into effect that, you're going to have all these health problems and everything that goes along with taking steroids, I think that, you know, it is not fair to take these drugs because it's not a level playing field if you're going to go up against, like, say if you're a football player and you're going up against somebody and somebody's taking HGH and you're not. You're in an unfair advantage and you're not going to be able to compete with this guy because he is um he's a different animal than you because he's taking these PEDs. Um, does it enhance performance at all? Yes, it obviously does. The policy that is in place now is obviously in professional sports they're not allowed. Um, I think that obviously I don't think it should be allowed, but I think something that we could do to help is more drug tests or um, more drug tests and more cracking down on repeat offenders. Like say somebody like a Barry Bonds, somebody who was the pinnacle of baseball at one point, and he comes back and he was using steroids. Um, a person like Roger Clemens or Alex Rodriguez have been, they've been caught doing these PEDs. Um, I think that the policy should be. I think the policy that is in place now is good, but I think it should be not just if you get caught with PEDs. I think you should be out of the league until you're clean and you can come back in. I don't think that if you're caught with PEDs one time, you're not going to be, you know, you can't be, brushed to the side and like it's okay because it's not. Taking PEDs is a form of cheating, in my opinion, and PEDs should not be allowed in sports. And PEDs are something that, you know, it's just giving a player and a team an unfair advantage. Um, and then to piggyback on what I said earlier about the health and the rage and the making it make the PEDs making you something that you're not, and I think that is a big point. So the policy that is in place now, I think, is a good policy. I think it could be changed up a little bit by expelling these players as soon as if they fail a drug test for PEDs, they shouldn't be able to come back. And that should be, especially in baseball, but in all sports, football, basketball, every single sport. I think if you use PEDs, it's cheating and you shouldn't be allowed to play in the sport. Thank you.